Welcome in once again to Crypto Climate, where we observe the climatic current pulse and forecast of the markets, guys. Don't forget to click that subscribe button as it really helps out the channel's growth. Also, click the notification bell to stay tuned for our fresh off the press content, guys. Moving on to today's content, but again, before we do so, this content is not official financial advice, is for educational purposes only. We start with Ethereum Fear and Greed Index, guys. Today, it still says greedy at 55, but we're heading towards neutral. The market just doesn't know what it's going to decide to do. It just doesn't. I mean, that's why I believe that the death of the altcoins is just around the corner. Not in a permanent fashion, but it's more that Bitcoin's time to dominate the markets. And we're going to see that reflective, on the charts today. But let's start with, in the last 7 days, the top 5 altcoins in the world and their performance, starting with Ethereum at $1,814, down 0.85%. BNB at $326, down 1.51%. XRP the scam at 45 cents, down 0.23%. Number 4, Cardano at 38 cents, down 0.24%. And then Dogecoin at 7.7 cents, down 0.97%. So as we can see in the 24-hour time frame, things have been going down but we're at similar prices that we were just 7 days ago. Then we do have the top 5 best performing assets for the past 7 days, starting with Render token at $2.23, up 27%. Number 2, Injective, the injection coin, that's at almost 8 billies, up 14.42%. Then we have 3, Casper at number 3 at just about a nickel, up 17.31%. Number 4, Multiverse X at $41, up 7.53%. And then number 5, Internet Computer, ICP, at $5.65, up 5.21%. Then the top 5 worst performers, we have Zilliqa. That's Zilliqa at 2 cents, 2.6 cents, down 13%. Then you have number 2, the Pancake Swap at $2.54, down 12.31%. Number 3, XDC Network, 3 pennies, down 10%. Number 4, Singularity Net. I love this coin. Need to get me a bag of AI. You already know, 30 cents, down 10%. And then number 5, Flow at 83 cents, down 8.51%. Guys, don't forget, guys, that we have a free educational playlist for you guys with educational presentations and everything. Link in the description down below to the playlist. You get a pen, pencil, and a piece of paper. Dig in. Wonderful education there, all for free. Then moving on, we have the Ethereum chart, guys. Recently just breaking down as we speak with the current candle from this. We can actually just delete this line now and just leave it at an uptrend. Here we have a clear uptrend with this green line, as you guys can see. And where we came, let's see, we came right, we had a touch point here, a touch point here, then we have another one here, and this is the 4th time. Usually after 3 touch points on the 4th try, the trend line gives in. But hey, the candle hasn't closed yet. Let's see what happens. Right now it's showing a little bit of weakness with this red negative bearish candle for Ethereum. What it seems like on its way to that $1,786 mark, which is the pivotal support, as we can see with this clear buy wick here. Wow, if that support gives up, yikes. We expect what, 1,675 Ethereum most likely. If we draw this right here, yeah, I would say like right here, give or take, that would be a great spot for Ethereum to come back down to retest if it breaks that one. So things wouldn't be looking too nice, but let's see. At the end of the day, Ethereum is going to have enough juice to make a new local high for the trend to continue. If it doesn't, then things would not be looking nice for Ethereum. Here we have a clear fake out. Wow. We came above for a couple of days. People got excited, but now we're right back down. And yeah, we'll see what happens for Ethereum. And look, the rest of the altcoins, as we can see here, at a pivotal moment as well. This is the crypto total market cap for basically all cryptocurrencies except Bitcoin, guys. Again, as you can see here, we had a fake out here to the downside, a fake out to the upside. And other than those 2 fake outs, which they happen sometimes in charts where, they go one way, they fake you out and then just come right back, right back into the pattern. Same here. We've been trading for the most part within this pattern below the $616 billion resistance, as it's now been reclaimed as resistance once again. and we're in this wedge pattern here. We're gonna have to make a decision soon, and right now it's showing weakness. You know, we couldn't reach the $700 billion resistance up here, so that's not good. We might be starting a new downtrend now, and the first sign of it would be for us to break down from this pattern here towards the downside. You know, the next level of support, yikes, it would be all the way down here actually, guys. That would be crazy. Let me see. Yeah, it's not appearing there, so I apologize for that. But yeah, all in all, showing some weakness altcoins right now, and Bitcoin is dominating the market, as we're going to discuss in our Bitcoin climate video coming in the next couple of days, so stay tuned, guys. Then the DXY, guys, the dollar index, as we reviewed, look, in our past episode we said the possibility of this being a double bottom. For now, it's looking more and more likely. Why? Because we have this descending channel here, and now it seems that we're breaking up again. Candle hasn't closed. We'll see what happens, you know, in the next couple of days by our next update, but right now it's looking good for the DXY. That's why you see a little bit of sell pressure here in these assets. The DXY, the dollar index, making a short-term move. Let's see if it gets above this descending channel pattern and closes outside, then it'll most likely make another run up towards that 103.57, but we'll see what happens. Guys, if you enjoyed this content, don't forget, in the description down below we have our website here where you can find great investment tools and resources for you guys. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate you subscribing, pressing the notification button, all you do for the channel. If you made it out this far into the video, you guys are the straight MVPs. Guys, thank you so much for your time and attention. Hope you guys have a good one.